Hi children, good morning all. Hope you all are doing good. I wish you all a happy Independence Day children. This year we are unable to celebrate Independence Day in our school. I know we all are going to miss flag hosting by our beloved principal sir, saluting our national flag, singing national anthem together, receiving mementos from ma'am, Vijosi sir and Ravali ma'am, right? Hope this coronavirus ends soon. Now moving to our today's class. Page number 19, we have few formulas. In the last class we have taken example 12, 13 and 14, right? Now in today's class we are going to start our example 15, okay? So these are the formulas, okay children? You have to write in your classwork, okay? Now we are going to do example 15. Simplify the following expressions. First one, second, third, fourth. Here four sums are there. We are going to solve it, okay now children? These all are related to this formulas, okay now already I have copied first question, okay, that is 3 plus root 3 2 plus root 2, okay, and I have written formulas also, okay. Now this complete is related to which formula here? 3 plus root 3, that is one is just a number and one is in root, okay. So which formula? It is the sixth formula children, okay, that is a plus root b c plus root d. What is the answer? ac plus ac plus a root d plus c root b plus root b into d, okay now children? This complete sum is, this complete question is related to this formula, okay. So now we are going to write. See here, what is a here now? What is a? A is equals to, a is equals to 3. What is root b? Root b is nothing but root 3. What is c? C is nothing but 2. And what is root d? Sorry. What is root d? Root d is equals to root 2. Okay. Yes. This is comma. Now we have to convert into this form, okay. So I am going to write AC. What is A? 3 into, what is C? 2. Okay, when they are beside AC, they are in multiplication children, okay. So plus A, what is A? A is nothing but 3. What is root D? That is nothing but root 2. Plus C, what is C? C is nothing but 2. What is root B? It is nothing but root 3. Plus root BD, what is BD? 3 and 2. 3 into 2. Okay, I am asking BD. B is nothing but 3, D is nothing but 2. Okay, na? So 3 into 2. Now 3 2s are 6 plus 3 root 2, as it is we cannot multiply, because if you want to multiply 3 should have root, okay, then only we can multiply it, okay na? Plus 2 root 3 plus root 3 2s are 6. Now I have copied the second one, okay, 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. This sum, this question is related to which formula? Here first 2 is there and then root number is there. Plus and minus are there. Both are same, okay. So A, B, B, okay, should be. So A root B, here plus sign is there. A minus root B, okay. So this sum is related to this formula, so I am going to copy it, okay. So that is a plus root b, a minus root b, that is nothing but a square minus b, a square minus b, okay now see here, what is a? A is equals to 2. What is root b? Root b is equals to root 3. Okay. Now what is our answer? A square minus b. A square. What is a? A is nothing but 2. 2 square minus, what is b? B is nothing but only 3. If I ask root b, then it is root 3. If I ask only b, b is nothing but only 3. Okay, so that is 2 square means what? We have to write 2 times, we have to write 2. Okay, minus 3, that is 2 2s is nothing but 4. 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1. Okay now children, next third sum. Okay, now what is third question? Third question is nothing but root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Okay, root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Now we have only one square formula, that is the last formula. Okay, so we are going to take this itself. Okay, now see here, root a plus root b whole square is equals to what? A plus 2 root ab plus b. Okay, now what is a here? Root a is equals to root 5. So a is nothing but 5. Okay, now root b is equals to what? Root 2. Okay, now we are going to solve it. A is nothing but 5 plus 2 as it is, root AB. A is nothing but 5 and B is nothing but 2. 5 into 2 plus B is what? 2. 5 plus, we should not add this 2. Okay, now this is different term. Okay, so 2 root 2 5 2s are 10 plus 2. See here, this one has root 10 along with it, so we should not add this. Okay, now we must add 5 and plus 2 because they don't have any roots, so we can add these two numbers. Okay now, so see here, 5 plus 2 is nothing but 7. 7 plus 2 root 10 as it is. So till here we have to do. Okay now fourth one, the last question. Okay now what is your last one? It is, now our last question is root 5 minus root 2, root 5 plus root 2. Okay, now we have to check it is related to which formula. Okay, both the numbers are root, but both the numbers are same numbers are there. Okay, so here minus is there, one is plus. Okay, so it is related to which one? Root, where roots are there, here all roots are there and same numbers are there. One is minus and one is plus. One is minus and one is plus. So this formula we have to take. See here, you might be wondering that here minus is there and next plus is there. No problem, they are in multiplication. We can take this one first and this one next. Okay, but the answer will be same. Okay, now I am going to copy it. Root a plus root b into root a minus root b, that is nothing but a minus b. Okay, now what is a? Root a is nothing but root 5. Okay, and root b is nothing but root 2. Okay, now we have to substitute it. What we have to do? Obviously you know that what is the formula? A minus b. What is a here? A is nothing but 5. What is b? B is nothing but 2. 5 minus 2 is nothing but 3. That's it. Okay, hope you all have understood this. Okay, we are going to do next examples in the next class. Thank you children. Have a good day.